Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are great. And dear children, today we are going to learn something new about computers. So the chapter name is Using the Mouse. Using the mouse. So in this chapter we will know more about the functions of a mouse. Okay, how does a mouse work? Working with a mouse. Okay, you use your hand to point at things like I am doing right now. I am pointing the things and I am using this hand. Okay, so here is the child, but he is saying I like the blue t-shirt. So you can see here 3 t-shirts are there and he is pointing out the blue t-shirt only. So he is using the hand and showing us to the blue t-shirt. Okay, now a mouse is used to point at objects on the monitor screen. So in computer, how we can point out the things? With the help of mouse we can point out the things on the monitor screen. Now you can see here this boy is sitting and using the computer. I like this blue t-shirt. Now how he is pointing now? Now he can't use the hand. Now he is using the mouse. Okay, so he is using the mouse, but what the main thing is pointing out the thing? That is mouse pointer that you can see on the screen, a small arrow. I have told you before, a small arrow that you see on the monitor screen is called a mouse pointer. Okay, there is a pointer on the screen that moves in the same direction in which you move the mouse. Okay, so the pointer will move in the same direction in which you move the mouse. Now in the following picture you can see the parts of the mouse. So here you can see the mouse, and today I will tell you the different parts of the mouse. Okay, so this is a black color mouse. You can find out many colors mouse. Okay, so here is the mouse wire. This is the mouse wire, and this gray color thing is scroll wheel. This is a scroll wheel. So this is a scroll wheel. Actually this wheel we can scroll. Okay, and this is the left button. Here you can see this is the left button of the mouse, and this is the right button of the mouse. Okay, so 4 things we have discussed in mouse part. One is mouse wire, number 2 is scroll wheel, number 3 is right button here, and number 4 is left button here. Okay, how to make mouse work? How does a mouse work for us? Okay, so number 1 is to make the mouse work, we click on left and right mouse buttons. So we can use the mouse with the help of left mouse button or right mouse button. Okay, we will keep our hand on the mouse, but if we will not press any button it will not do anything. Okay, we can drag it from one position to another. Okay, we can move the mouse from one position to another. The mouse wire connects the mouse to the CPU. Now this boy is using the mouse. Here you can't see the CPU, but mouse wire is attached to the CPU. If the mouse wire is not attached to the CPU, then it will not do any work. Okay, there are also some wireless mouses available in the market. So as the technology has improved, now we can get the mouse without wire. There are some mouse that we can get without wire from the market. Okay, now holding the mouse. How we can hold the mouse? You you should always hold the mouse very gently. Yes, as I have seen in computer lab, some of the babies, they get excited and use it very roughly. So we should use always mouse very gently. We should hold the mouse very gently. Never hold it tightly. Okay. Now, how we can place our hand on the mouse? Let's see. Place your fingers correctly on the mouse. Now, this is first of all, I need to show you the fingers name of our hand. Fingers name of our hand. Okay. So I have one picture. Here you can see names of the fingers. Now, as you all know, this is our thumb. This is our thumb. Now, the next finger after thumb is index finger. Okay. The first finger after thumb is index finger. And this is the middle finger. This is the middle finger. Why do we call it middle finger? Because before this finger and after this finger there are two fingers, as you can see here. Now the next is, this is ring finger. After middle finger we call it ring finger. And the last one, that is short one, this is the little finger. Okay. Now I will tell you how you can place your fingers on the mouse. Okay. Now look at this. Now ring finger and little finger and middle finger we always keep on the right mouse button. Okay. And we always keep our index finger on the left mouse button. Okay. And here you can see the thumb. I hope you understood. Now index finger on the left mouse button. You can see here, this is the index finger and we keep it on the left mouse button. Now middle finger on the right mouse button. Now this is the middle finger, we keep it on the right mouse button. Now ring finger and thumb. So this is a ring finger and this is the thumb on the sides of the mouse. Okay. So the mainly index finger and middle finger we use for left mouse button or right mouse button. Okay. The mouse actions. Now how the mouse, we can use mouse for different actions. You can make the mouse work in many ways. Okay. The first action is pointing. As I have told you, I am just pointing the things in front of you with the help of this small hand. Okay. So this is pointing. Pointing is to move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer where you want it to point. Okay. So pointing is very easy. So you need to move the mouse in the same direction where you want to point out the things on the computer, on the monitor screen. Now next is clicking. Click. As we want to capture any picture in our phone, we press, right? We press the button. In the same way, we click the things with the help of mouse. Clicking is pressing and releasing the left mouse button quickly once. So in this picture you can see, so this is the left mouse button. This is the left mouse button. So this is the index finger and this is the left mouse button. So in clicking, we click the left mouse button quickly once. For one time we click it. Okay, we press it actually. Now number 2, next is double clicking. It means easy. Double clicking is to click the left mouse button twice quickly. So here you have to press the left mouse button 2 times, okay, but quickly. The condition is same, you have to press it quickly. Now dragging the mouse. How you can drag the mouse? You can drag the mouse to draw lines. Yes. Now this child is asking, but how to drag the mouse? We can drag the mouse with the help of left mouse button. Now first what we can do? Clicking, you understood? We will press the left mouse button quickly once. Okay. Now what we do in dragging? First is hold down the left mouse button. Okay. So actually in clicking we pressing and releasing. Okay, we are doing it very quickly, but hold down, we hold down the left mouse button only. Okay, we hold it, then move the mouse in the direction you want. Okay, now holding it out, you will move the mouse in the direction we want. Now next is leave the mouse button. Now where you want to leave, release the mouse button. Okay, first we have pressed the button and then move the mouse in the direction we want, then leave the mouse means release the mouse button. This the way we drag the mouse. So this is another activity how we can drag the mouse.